Well, here we are in the greenhouse. The cat there has decided to come on in. Actually, both these cats, I let them out for the day and they remember the place. Probably look forward to trashing it. Here we have some Gary oak trees. Sorry, it took me a sec. I haven't even thought of them in a long time. A bit lax on weeding. Here we have our garlic. What are you doing, cat? Out with you. Yeah, so there we go. Garlic and grapes. Those I will hopefully plant outside somewhere. I just don't have one area that's not going to get trashed by an excavator, so I've been keeping them in a pot. More grapes. They're Pinot Noir, which I quite like. Pepper plant. I grew some newer pepper plants from seed, and we'll see. I'm just interested to see if this one comes back. It's not all woody and gonna break, so maybe it will. No idea. Over here we have some green onion. Weird plants my friend dropped off. I should know the name of them other than weird plants. And strawberries. It'll be the first year for trying those. More Gary Oaks. Why I have Gary Oaks in here? Somebody gave them to me and I just can't help growing things. And there we go. These are dead husks of tomatoes that only got to start late in the season. So this year being the first year with this system, I'm gonna rock some things. Over here, yeah, I had a bunch of herbs going that were going crazy, but everything got started so late in the season because I only built this greenhouse later on in the year that not that much. I mean, I got lots of squash, all sorts of cool things last year. More tomatoes, and there's the onions. I just took a bowl and drilled some holes in it. I thought it was neat. It used to be a peat moss or something part to that hanger. Anyway, there's the quick greenhouse beginning of the year. Today's the first day. It really feels like spring out here to me, so I'm out here giving things a water.